Hey YouTube, if you've been watching my front-end loader project, you might have noticed that one of my Ozito grinders was making a funny noise. Well, that funny noise eventually led it to let out the magic smoke. This is just a quick video to report on the warranty process. I must say I was very impressed.
If you see that smoking heap up there, see the smoke coming out of it, that's the demise of my Ozito grinder, or one of them anyway. The cheapest chips at $30 each come with a 3-year warranty. That one didn't even make the first year, it's only made maybe 4 or 5 months I think. And he just destroyed himself. Didn't sound quite right the last few times I used him, and then just big flash inside him and smoke pouring out. Most of the smoke stopped by the time I got the camera on, but there's still enough there to get an idea of what happened. She's quite burnt out in there. It's only ever had light duty, this one. I've only ever had the wire brush on it, and that's not something you put a lot of pressure on, so it hasn't been asked to do anything heavy. Probably cold out at the moment. As soon as the shops are open again, I'll take it down and test out the Ozito 3-year warranty, see how good it is. We saw the Ozito grinder go up in smoke, or the aftermath of it, and smoke still curling out of it. I tested out their warranty, and it's as good as they say. Went down to Bunnings, showed them the grinder, showed them the receipt and the warranty card, no questions, brand new one. There it is, comes with the same bits, and I even get another new grinding wheel with it. Plus, whole new warranty. Can't knock that. Grinder for just under $30. 3-year warranty, no query about replacement. Gotta like that.
Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to see more of my projects or reviews, you can go to my channel or browse to my website. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe for more. Until next time.